Hey guys, how is everybody doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day. I want to tell you about this great investment opportunity that is directly behind me. I am located in Centro right now. The building that is for sale behind me is almost 6,000 square feet. It's a little over 5,900 square feet. The asking price is $700,000 US dollars, but let me tell you why I think this is a hidden gem right now that's been on the market almost for 1 year. Hey guys, once I got back to the office and I started looking at all the video, there was so much traffic going by, you couldn't even hear a thing that I was saying. So let me tell you here why I think this is such a great investment opportunity in my office. So one of the things that you can do with this building is, number one, you could obviously just keep it as it is. You already have 3 businesses in there that are paying rent. Number 2 option would be to keep the ground floor as it is. You already have 2 storefronts going on in there, and then you could renovate the second and the third levels. You could make the second level a primary residence for yourself and the third level as well, or you can renovate the entire building, keep it with some storefronts on the ground floor, turn the second and the third levels into some vacation rentals, or the third option would be to just demo the entire building and put something brand new there, a brand new structure there. Because of the proximity to the Malecon, you're located here in Centro, it would be a great investment opportunity if you wanted to make another business go there. You could put like a mini boutique hotel there. You could do a huge villa just for yourself. So you can put a villa there just for yourself. Because of the location of where you are, you're literally just 3 blocks to the beach, and the asking price is insane. You are only $700,000 for this entire building, and you've almost got 6,000 square feet of living space here. So without any further ado, come and check this property out, and then make sure you hang out to the end if you want to find out more information, how you can know some more things about this property and how to get in contact with me. So let's go check the property out, guys. All right, guys, so let's get into this property. We have almost 6,000 square feet of living space here. This could all be used as one property in total, or you can keep it how they have it here. You can see it's set up right now. There are 2 storefronts on the ground floor. Right now, obviously, this is a bazaar. This is one of the building's businesses. Then if you go directly next door, this is also part of the same building. You can see now it's another business that's here. You have a really big space here. So if you wanted to keep it as 2 storefronts on the ground floor, totally that would be an option. And then you come up the second level. And on the second level, you have an apartment. So this could be used as, right now they have it set up as a spa. On the ground floor here, you can see when you enter, this is where you'd have your kitchen, and then you go upstairs and they have a massage room happening there. You've got 5 rooms and 2 bathrooms on this level here. This is your view coming out on the second level. We are on Juarez. This is the street, 2 streets behind the Malecon. If you're coming into the romantic zone, the very first street is going to be the one that's going to take you into downtown. This is the street that's going to take you out of downtown, just so you can kind of get some bearings on where you are. The most you'd be able to build if you wanted to take this building down and build something else would be 3 levels with a rooftop. Because of the proximity of where you are located here in Centro, that's all that you would be able to do here. 3 levels and a rooftop. Just because of the location of this place, you are literally 2 streets from the beach, located here in Centro. I think this would make an amazing Airbnb style rental and investment property. If you wanted to come in here and put one big huge store, you've automatically, you know that you have the location to do amazing business here. And then this is outside, so you can see they have it set up now. This is the inside of that one store. Then you've got another patio here, a spa set up here, and they have all these different little buildings back here. But the space itself is almost 500, or it's right around 500 square meters. So you can really do a lot with this space. Even if you didn't want to do renovation, you just wanted to maybe use this as a tear down and put another building here, definitely that's an option. And then the last space that I'm going to show you is the upstairs. This is the kitchen. If you to keep this, maybe do a storefront on the ground floor, and then you would convert this into your personal living space. That would work too. Up here they have this set up as a massage. So you can see it's a really big footprint up here. What the view is from up here. Okay guys, so let's do a little bit of a recap. So if you're interested in this building, the asking price is $700,000 US. You've got almost 6,000 square feet here. It's a little over 5,900 square feet. If you wanted to do a new construction here, let's say you just weren't happy with this construction, you wanted to take it down and build something completely new, you are allowed, because of where we're at in the zone here, you could do 3 levels with a rooftop. That is what the permit will allow. You could always get into a renovation. You could keep it like it is. There's a lot of different options, but I wanted to bring this property to your attention because of the asking price. $700,000, 3 blocks off the beach, located here in Centro, and one of the best roads coming out of town, one of the only roads coming out of town. This is not a property to sleep on. If you like this video and you want to see more, click like and subscribe down below. You're also going to find all the ways to get in contact with me. My cell phone number, I'm on WhatsApp. You can email me. Let's do a personal showing or an personal showing, virtual showing, where I can send you guys some videos. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you at the next one. Peace.